Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Shopify not working 2026. There could be several reasons. Server or outage issues. Shopify may be experiencing server downtime or maintenance. You can check Shopify status for live updates. Internet connection problems. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Try accessing other websites to confirm connectivity. Browser issues. Sometimes outdated browsers or cached data can cause problems. Clear your cache, update your browser, or try a different browser. App or plugin conflicts. If you're using third-party apps or plugins, one of them may be causing the issue. Disable apps temporarily to check. Account or payment problems. Issues with your Shopify account, payment method, or subscription may affect functionality. Verify your account status and payment details. Device or software compatibility. Make sure your device and operating system are compatible with Shopify's latest version. If none of these resolve the issue, contact Shopify support for assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.